Delicious light cinnamon coffee cake recipe. Easy homemade coffee cake. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, I've got a fantastic recipe for you that's perfect for breakfast, brunch, or even as a sweet treat with your afternoon coffee. We'll be making a light and fluffy cinnamon coffee cake that's simply irresistible. So, let's dive right in. Ingredients. 1½ cups all-purpose flour. 1/2 cup granulated sugar. 1/4 cup unsalted butter, softened. 1/4 cup unsweetened applesauce. 1/4 cup low-fat Greek yogurt. 2 large eggs. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 1½ teaspoons baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. 1/4 teaspoon salt. For the cinnamon swirl. 1/4 cup brown sugar. 1 tablespoon ground cinnamon. For the streusel topping. 1/4 cup all-purpose flour. 1/4 cup granulated sugar. 2 tablespoons unsalted butter, cold. 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon. Instructions. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees C, and grease a 9-inch, 23 centimeters round cake pan. In a mixing bowl, combine the softened butter, applesauce, and granulated sugar. Mix until creamy and well combined. Add the eggs, one at a time, mixing well after each addition. Then, stir in the Greek yogurt and vanilla extract until everything is well incorporated. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture, stirring until just combined. Be careful not to overmix, you want a tender cake. In a small bowl, prepare the cinnamon swirl by mixing the brown sugar and ground cinnamon. Pour half of the cake batter into the prepared pan. Sprinkle the cinnamon swirl mixture evenly over the batter. Top with the remaining cake batter and spread it evenly. To make the streusel topping, combine flour, sugar, and ground cinnamon in a small bowl. Cut in the cold butter using a pastry cutter or your fingers until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Sprinkle this mixture evenly over the top of the cake batter. Bake in the preheated oven for 35–40 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Let the coffee cake cool in the pan for about 10 minutes, then transfer it to a wire rack to cool completely. Once cooled, slice and serve your delicious light cinnamon coffee cake. Enjoy! This coffee cake is absolutely divine. It's light, moist, and bursting with cinnamon flavor. Perfect for any occasion. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more delightful recipes, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen today, and I'll see you in the next video. Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.